Hey guys, and welcome to Crazy Burger. So in this video I'm going to be looking at a secret game as part of the two Team 17 collections that we have. So if you have the Amiga Team 17 Collection 1, you can put that into your VS and also put in the Worms Collection 1, which was also from Team 17. You will get a secret game. Okay, so that secret game is unsurprisingly Worms The Director's Cut, which is obviously an Amiga game that was released in 1997, which was way at the end of the Amiga lifespan, which I'm sure most people were already moved on to consoles or something at that point. But this is definitely the version, probably the definitive version of Worms that we ideally would have wanted way back when this collection was released. But sadly, there's still no you still can't use a mouse with it, which it really is crying out for. No doubt this is the best version. It's very similar to the Mega Drive version, but it's obviously got a lot of extra bits and bobs, levels, and so forth. And it still is a bit tricky to control, to be honest. I found it just a wee bit tricky. It's not terrible, it is playable. It's certainly a wee bit more enjoyable than the Mega Drive version that we have. But obviously this is VS only right now. And I really hope maybe one day they will release a mouse so you can actually play these games as they were intended to play. But for me, I'm not a massive Worms fan. Never really have been. I kind of preferred the sort of Lemmings series, which were released back in the day. But yeah, I don't think we're going to see that anytime soon. But anyway, Worms definitely for me is better played with another human opponent rather than playing against the computer. It sort of has minimal fun. I know there's a lot of fans out there that love these games. They are still releasing these games today, which is brilliant. But I'm not a big fan of these type of games. If you've got the patience to get stuck into it, you'll probably enjoy it. And there's certainly some fun to be had. There's a lot of really cool humour involved with the game. But sometimes I got a little bit frustrated. I felt that the controls they're okay, but I don't think they're ideally suited for a D-pad and sort of your button selections. But once you get it around your head, you can maybe get a reasonable game going. And obviously, if you've got a friend, you can play them as well on the VS. But yeah, I've never been a big fan, but this is alright. This is definitely the better version of the Worms games that we've got, arguably. The PlayStation 1 version's pretty good as well. But yeah, so we've got the Worms Director's Cut, another Amiga game which is added if you have the two Team 17 collections on your VS.
Whoa! Ow! First blood! Perfect! What's this? Perfect! Stupid! Fire! Perfect! What's this? Stupid! Bye-bye! You'll regret that!
Guys, thanks very much for watching our video. I'll catch you again in the next one. Bye for now.